One of the most interesting things that I've learned about cryptocurrency and the bull run and bear cycles is the amount of people that come and go whenever the green candles come, but they leave as soon as they start to lose money. They say it's a scam. They say it's bullshit. They say everyone's lying. These guys are scammers. They're criminals. But that's not the truth. The truth is, nobody cares about it unless they hear someone's making money. Nobody wants to show up and buy the dip because all they've heard is, I lost money, I bought the top. And that's the problem. People only show up when people have good things to say. As soon as the next guy has a bad thing to say, they're running out the door. You need to find a passion for the technology, a problem that it can solve, a project that you love, a community that you love, a network of people that are like-minded individuals that you can be around. Because the people that show up every day, regardless of market conditions, are the real winners at the end of the day. So let me ask you this. If Bitcoin goes back to 30,000, are you going to panic and run? Or are you going to buy the fucking dip?